In the early 1950s up until the late 1980s, industry was using chlorinated solvents as their solution of choice for surface cleaning and degreasing of metal parts. Chlorinated solvents are very effective at removing oils, greases and other organic contaminants generated in metalworking processes. Also, chlorinated solvents are not flammable by nature, thus giving the impression that they were safe to work with. Products such as trichloroethylene and methylene chloride were used in manufacturing facilities for bulk cleaning of metallic components. Aside from being harmful to the environment, exposure to chlorinated solvents can lead to dizziness, chronic fatigue, headaches, skin rashes, as well as long-term effects such as damage to the nervous system, kidneys, liver, and even cancer. By the late 1980s, government agencies around the world recognized the health and environmental dangers associated with chlorinated solvents and have implemented laws and protocols to regulate the use and fabrication of these dangerous compounds. During the 1970s, industry was well aware that the use of chlorinated solvents as a metal degreaser was coming to an end. The transition towards other petroleum distillates as a cleaning solution was a natural choice since they performed very similarly to chlorinated solvents. Products such as acetone, xylene, MEK and naphtha started to appear in manufacturing facilities as the new degreaser of choice. Aside from having serious health effects, these solvents emit a lot of volatile organic compounds, which are linked to smog creation and the development of chronic respiratory tract disorders. Lastly, these products are highly flammable, thus making them an important safety hazard. By the 1980s, industry started to replace petroleum distillates with biorenewable solvent alternatives as metal surface cleaning agents. Products containing orange peel extracts such as D-limonene started to emerge in the market. These alternatives were thought to be the solution everybody was looking for to finally eliminate petroleum-based solvents as degreasers from industrial activity. Unfortunately, their flammable nature, irritability, and volatile organic compound content led industry to look for other solutions. The 1990s ushered in the era of water-based chemistry as a solution for metal surface cleaning. Their biodegradability, non-toxic nature, free of volatile organic compounds and inflammability made them very attractive alternatives. Improvements in corrosion protection, development of surfactant technology, the introduction of neutral pH solutions, and finally the power of bioremediation are the reasons why industry today widely accepts water-based chemistry as the safer and environmentally sound alternative to petroleum-based solvents. Modern chemistry was instrumental in the evolution of metal cleaners and degreasers over the past half-century. Where do we go from here? What's next? Nature Boost is a new additive derived from vegetable extracts exclusive to BioCircle Environmental Solutions. This new ingredient is derived from a byproduct generated in the vegetable processing industry, thus not impacting the cost of food. This unique raw material has excellent solubility of oils, greases, inks, adhesives, and even paint, thus making it a very attractive alternative to traditional petroleum-based solvents. What makes the Nature Boost additive so impactful is that it is not flammable, does not emit volatile organic compounds, is non-toxic and biorenewable. No other petroleum distillate or natural solvent can boast these benefits. BioCircle Environmental Solutions has taken the Nature Boost ingredient and formulated a new family of metal cleaners and degreasers which leverage the performance and safety attributes of this new, remarkable raw material.